Keep on recording. Anyway, right now it is 11:45. This is my pal right here, and he is going to let me kick him. You ready for this, Stevie? All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. You kick your teeth in.
Stevie!
Let's do it again.
Poor guy.
And this is what happens when you unplug him. Die, Stevie, die. Oh no, we got the full surgery on him. Let's plug him back in.
He's coming back. His arm's lifting up. He's alive!
I do look like him, right? What does his face look like?
No, you look nothing like him. He kind of has the thing like the Game Time fish on the bus. That's funny.
Here, Stevie, catch.
Right in the face.
Stevie, you're supposed to catch the ball. Let's try this again. Nope.
What is Stevie making out with the football?
Useless to me. You're useless to me, Stevie. Sorry, I had to put you down. Let's plug him back in.
Hurry, hurry. Surgery.
Let's plug him back in. Come on, Stevie. This is your game. This is your life.
He failed.
Stevie. And this is my favorite thing to do to him. I'm sorry I had to do this to you, Stevie. I'm sorry, Stevie. I'm sorry. And then, it's like crush his face in.
And is this the end of Stevie?
No. No, it's not.
Is he gonna come back?
Wait.
No, I think
Stevie
not.
is indestructible.
Yes, he's indestructible. Well, no, he's not. He was trapped in a box for like 3 months, I'm guessing.
No. What else is up here?
Nothing. It was just that and then some notebooks. But they were like full of drawings. No, don't. No, wait.
How long is this video?
3 minutes and 42 seconds.
Oh, God. Oh, an idea. Ninja Stevie.
He's blind, Stevie. Instead, you're covering up his eyes.
I'll fix it in a minute.
Ninja football Stevie, folks.
Hopefully. His head just like fell off.
Stevie!
Stevie, no!
This is a 4-minute, 30-second video. So in a minute and 30 seconds. At 5:30, I'll stop it.
Stevie loves you guys. Stop it.
Seriously?
Stop the video, stupid.